Hello? Hey, found some. Oh my god, I think I found the lights. Perfect. Alright. Play me tape. Hello, Connor. So, now you have made it to game number 2. Will you have the guts to live or die? Make your choice. What does he mean by live or die, man? What the fuck? Saw, episode 3. Jigsaw's message. Okay, wait, hold up, guys. So, I interrupt this. I know the episode's going to be a little shorter today, so I thought I would talk about this. So, I came out with my own comic book about this show that I'm going to be doing, okay? So, on the back of it, it has my channel, like you guys can subscribe, whatever, and there it is. Saw Mind Games. It is based off episode 2 so far. The name, at least. So, you guys are probably thinking, Punisher, what happened to that show? Well, unfortunately, there's going to be one more episode left. It's going to be a finale, and don't worry, the Punisher, the last one, will be coming out soon. Enjoy the rest. Like and subscribe. Hello? Connor? I'm getting to it. Hello? Who the fuck is this? Look it! Where the fuck you are! I'm gonna catch you! Connor. He's taken. I know where he is. Son of a bitch. This must be a clue. Hey, it's me. Hey, you need to bring me back to the station right now. Please. Why the fuck are you handcuffing me? What the hell were you thinking? Look, just save the pep talk for later, okay? No more pep talk. This is serious. We need to stick together. It was the plan. Okay? Sydney, that was the plan. To split up. And now, guess what? Connor's gone. Wait, Connor's gone? Yeah, that's who I was running after. I'm gonna need another phone call. Oh, back up now. Alright, analyze this voice right now. Hello? Hello. Welcome to game number 1. Your test number 1. Detective Thane, can you unsolve your partner's fate? You got that? Yeah! Now please get me out of these handcuffs and leg cuffs. Yeah, thank you. Why the hell did your squad car have to arrest me? They know I'm a freaking force of the police. You didn't know who you were being suspicious. Well, yeah, like the car that was crashing on the side of the road, that's not suspicious. Oh, God, I'm taking a break from this shit. Son of a bitch. We can't do this anymore, alright? We gotta start taking shit seriously. We are taking shit seriously. We sent the whole squad car after you. Because you two went on a lone adventure to decide to catch this killer we don't even fucking know. I told you, it is jigsaw. Jigsaw. We don't have that confirmed. Hey! Yeah. Who is it? The killer seems to be voice activated by Jigsaw. What did I fucking tell you? Oh, son of a bitch. You just don't want to admit it. Because we have no other choice then but to run. Watch over our squad, it's too much chaos. We've been in situations like this before, okay? We'll get out of it. We always do. Yeah, that's right. That's the right thing police does, right? I can't afford your bullshit. Yeah. You're acting like you're big and boss here. You're not. I am me. You understand that? I'm out. Look, we're getting too close to this. Unsolving it. You have no idea how unclose we are. We are not even close. You know what? Fuck this. Send on a squad car. We're gonna look for him. Did you hear that? My fucking name. Okay? My name. As a chief of the police force was on a phone call by a serial killer. That is suspicious. I am suspicious. You all motherfuckers are. Why don't we get down to business? Okay? Just do it. Fine. I'll back up. Where is he? Whoever this is, Jigsaw, he, said he was over by a children's park. Why would he be over by a children's park? The trapped up room. Shit! Get everybody available out there now! I'll start running! You don't know how to do this! I'll meet you guys there. Oh, come on! Alright, I want everybody to listen up. We're going after Connor. So let's go now. We gotta get all of our guns ready. They're all loaded, sir. Start the squad cars. I'll meet you guys down the road. Going commando style. Is that you? Yeah, it's me. How far are you? About 5 minutes away. Okay, I'm there right now. Got you. Bingo. Gotta stay still. What the fuck is going on? God, I hope I find you. Son of a shit. Son of a bitch. Beep. Pick up. We don't have fucking time. Hello, you have reached the voicemail of Cindy. Please. Fuck. Why the hell would she take her phone off right after? Oh shit. She might be in a trap too. Gotta get back. I'll just call Rob. Hello? Hi! You know where Cindy is? Yeah, but I'm not with her. I'm in a different Jeep. Is there anything suspicious? No, why? Is there a Jeep gone? What's your license plate? What Jeep did she take? I don't know. Come on, Ron, you need to know. Why? What's the matter? I fucked up. When you listen in, it did not say test 1 as in test 1. What do you mean? Look, the place where you guys are going to, it's not a fucking real place. It was just a place to get us distracted. Son of a bitch. Please, get every SWAT car back to the station. We have to find the file test 1. Okay? Got it. Thank you. Got it. Oh, shit. You better hurry up, or it might be too late. Oh, God. It's too fucking much. I can't think. Why would he... He said test number 1. Wait, test number 1 is a file at the police station. It was a subject of 5 police officers. Why would he want that? Oh, fuck. He's gonna take the 5 officers and trap them all by tonight. Got you. Shit. It's Jigsaw's message. Hello? Hello. Get ready for tonight. I want to play a game. Beep. Let's play our fucking game then.